GeoGuessr is a geography tool that you can use to see how well your students understand their basic mapping skills. I believe that this aligns with our ISTE standard of C.3.B, establishing a learning culture that promotes curiosity and critical examination of online resources. For one, we're calling upon our students to be global citizens because with a resource like this, we're kind of expanding the world view of our students. So you can be very specific. You could do something that's US cities, or if you're looking to do something a little more broad, we can even go for the whole entire world. When I taught fourth grade, a major social studies concept was the regions of the United States. So we'll go ahead and play the game of the United States. When I click on this game, it'll give me a description and let me know how difficult this one is. I'm going to go ahead and hit play. You can see when I hit play, there are advertisements that pop up on the side of this game. So in my own classroom, I would not have the students play on their own computers. It's something that I would project for the whole class, and we would work together to solve. So what the students do is they are placed in a snapshot of a Google Maps, and they're using the space around them to really figure out where they are in the country. And so if I were to look around here, I'll notice I see a lot of mountains in the background, maybe some new developing area. I see some water, and I can look around a little bit further. I see a Safeway, which is a regional grocery store. If I was really sneaky, maybe I would zoom into one of these cars and check out their license plates. But for now, I'm just going to make one single guess. So I'm going to tap on my map where I think they belong. As you can see, I selected a guy in the middle of the ocean, and that's not going to work. So you might want to zoom in a little bit. I'll say that because I see a mountainous area, maybe this guy's in Colorado. As soon as my little man is hovering over the spot where I think that he is in, I'm going to make a guess, and it'll let me know how accurate I was. And so right now, we're looking at somebody who's way far away than what we actually thought. And so we earn points based off of how close we are to the actual location. And so if I were a little bit closer, I would have made a stronger guess.